Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Westfield, New Jersey. Just completing a 4-piece corner shower with a center mounted door and an angled return panel. So this has got a slope ceiling. This is a, I guess a third floor space where the roof kind of cuts off there. So where most people came in and said, oh, we can't really do a simple, pivot here because of that slope ceiling. I mean, as you see, it can be done, and it is done. So it's got a knee wall here, also known as a pony wall. Depends on the contractor and the culture the contractor comes from. Different names, right? Glass-to-glass hinges. We use the standard D-pull on this only because it kind of matches with the rest of the fixtures here. It's more of a universal style to blend in with everything. All right, and then here we have a little accessory. This is the paddle style handle. It's actually meant to be placed horizontally as a handle for a door, but it seems to be trending now to use this as a rope hook. And it's pretty cool too. It's a nice solid grip. All right, and there you go. We got clamps. Let's take a view from the inside. All right, we purposefully offset this for you little trolls that are going to make a comment. Oh, it's off center. It's on purpose, wise guys. All right, they wanted more space on the inside of the shower, seeing that there's nothing really from the outside that they can, they would wind up using it as storage for. So we took this guy and we offset it out. Okay, and then here's the angle. Very nice. All right, and everything matches up in height as well. Again, it's offset. And of course, it's a custom door. So what do? We match that height with the grout line. All right, so if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.